Welcome back to my channel everyone. This is the part 2 of the flying pancake series. If you haven't seen the part 1 of this series, go check it out on my channel. In the second part of the video, we will make the nose. And we will be using some magic. With that done, we will fold on the non-existent fold lines. Now all that's left is to paste it together. We will be making the weights of the paper plane now, where we have to make a roll out of these two paper strips. I really enjoy cutting straight lines as the scissor glides over the paper. After we have cut it into strips, we will make a roll out of them, just like how you rolled into your sheets right now, all comfortable. Now we will be using something sharp, similar to the nose of the aircraft, to poke behind the weight and to bring its nose in the front to match the nose of the airplane. It took me a few tries because I did it after I pasted the roll together. Do not repeat the same mistake as me. And now all you have to do is insert it inside the nose and use some liquid glue to paste it together. The purpose of these is to bring the center of gravity of the plane towards the front so that it can fly. This is what the complete nose looks like. Next step is to paste it on the main body. I had no idea how to paste it. There was no glue area provided. So I just eyeballed it and pasted it just the way I wanted. I also wanted to make sure that the plane is sturdy so that it won't break on the first test flight. If you're enjoying this video, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Yeah, this is what I meant by eyeballing it. It does not look right and the plane looks like a banana, but I believe it's fine. And I've also used some super glue to make the nose a little bit more sturdier. You can't be completely protected always, right? So this is what the project looks like right now. Oh, my finger stuck. Yeah, so if you have made it this far into the video, congratulations. Now we will be moving towards the buttocks of the aircraft. First step is to make the wings with some magic. I believe I'm getting better at it. After cutting, we need to fold on the center line and paste it with the help of some glue stick. Make sure you apply it on both sides and you'll be done. Now, as the glue dries, we need to keep it inside a register so that it stays straight. And make sure to use your important notes so that at least you can open them once. Now that the wing is set, we will move to the next step, the vertical stabilizers. We will be following the same steps as we did with the wings. The difference is we need to fold out some flaps so that we can paste the vertical stabilizers on the body. Now they go back in the notes. Wow, you opened them twice today. I'm so proud of you. And make sure to put these in the most important part of your notes so that at least you know you need to study.
One eternity later.
And for the first time, you are excited to open your notes. Good job. No, but wait, we forgot to make the buttocks of the plane. With some magic, of course. Make sure to cut it like this. After the wing is done drying, we have to paste it with the number 2 upside. Ouch, the glue is still not dry. Now we move on to the buttocks. We will paste this part just like this. It lines up perfectly, well, almost perfectly, and it fits. Well, as you can see, it fits more or less. So that's it for this video. We will be making the last part very soon. And if you want to see the flying showcase of the plane, like this video. I have a 500 like goal for this video. Do you think we can make it? Thank you for watching. Sam signing out.